We're now in Green Cay, and Carrie is looking for the lion. And she's found it. What is she going to say?
Cool. That is cool. I'm impressed. I would have just stepped on it.
What impresses you the most?
That's natural. And I would have walked right by it.
And what will you tell your coworkers?
I got to tell everybody about the lion. That's fun.
Okay, and you don't want your face photographed. Okay, we could do her shoes. Yeah, would you put your foot up against it so you see the thing, the proportion? Sometimes people don't realize. Okay, that's the lion at Green Cay.
Size 8.5.
Somebody just discovered it, found it on her own when it gave her an approximation. Sheila Finkelstein, Technology for Seniors Made Easy, and Treasure Your Life Now.